Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We have already designed the product card page, but today we are going to make it fully functional. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build the complete shopping cart system from scratch, covering everything from adding a skill to the cart to viewing the final summary. A shopping cart is more than just a list. It is a dynamic bridge between a product and a purchase. Today we will be using PHP, MySQL, Ajax and JavaScript to ensure the entire process is fast, secure and seamless for your users. Now let's go to our website. In our website you can search any product and you can click the product and go to product single view page. Now you can add this product to cart by clicking this add to cart button. Then you can see the button change like in cart. So now we added this product into our cart. I go to my cart and you can see the product was added. There are 4 products in my cart. Also I can click this remove button and remove the product. Now you can see the product was removed. So this is the process of our cart page. In the other side you can see the summary with subtotal, delivery fee and total fee. You can purchase this product by clicking this proceed to checkout button. So now let's dive into our code. To show a full cart, we need information from 4 different tables at once. We start with the cart table and join it with product to get the title and price, user to get the seller's name and address to find the seller for delivery fee calculation. We filter the entire search using where c.user id equal to question mark, so the user only sees their own items. We also use order by c.created at DESC, so the most recently added items appear at the top. In the HTML section, we use PHP to inject this live data into our design. We use a for each loop to generate a cart for every item in the $cart items array. Each card is given a unique ID like cart item 12, so we can control it later with JavaScript. We check if the product has an image. If it's missing, we show a clean placeholder emoji so the layout never breaks. The code displays the title, instructor name and level while using number format to make the price look professional with decimals. And the removal process. This is the most interactive part, removing an item without a page refresh. When the user clicks the trash icon, remove item function triggers. It captures the cart item ID and sends a background request to remove from cart.php using the fetch API. As soon as the button is clicked, we set the cart's opacity to 0.5 and disable pointer events. This tells the user that the system is thinking. If the server returns success, we use itemel.remove function to instantly take the cart off the screen. We then update the subtotal, delivery fee and total on the page immediately using the new values sent back by the server. After successful removal, we call showToast function. It slides a small notification in the top using translate y0 to confirm the action to the user, then hides it again after 3. For product removing process, we create a file remove from cart.php file. Safety first. We can't let anyone delete items unless they are verified. The strip checks if the user is logged in and specifically verifies that their role is a buyer. If not, it sends a JSON error message. We use int12 on the user ID and cart item ID. This ensures we are dealing with pure numbers, protecting our Skillshop database from malicious input. This is where the actual removal happens. Database IUD. We executed delete command. Notice the where clause uses both the ID and the user ID. This is crucial. It prevents the user from trying to delete someone else's cart item by guessing an ID. Once the item is gone, the total on the screen will be wrong. We need to calculate the new numbers immediately. So, in the next video, we will discuss about that. Instead of refreshing the page, we send a clean data package back to the JavaScript. The script sends back the new subtotal, delivery fee, total, and item count. We use number format to ensure the numbers are sent as strings with extracted 2 decimal places, making it easy for the front end to display them correctly. Next, we dive into our card process.php file. Every professional API starts with a secure handshake. We set the content type to application JSON, so the browser knows we are sending structured data, not a web page. We then initialize the session to identify the user. We check if the user is logged in and specifically verify if they are a buyer. If a guest or a seller tries to trigger this, the script stops immediately with an unauthorized message. We never trust data coming from the front end. We use int12 on the user ID and product ID. This prevents malicious users from trying to inject text or scripts into our database, keeping Skillshop safe from SQL injection. The smart toggle logic. This is the brain of the script. It decides whether to add or remove based on the current state. The exits check. The script runs a select query to see if the item is already in the user's cart. We use limit 1 to make the search as fast as possible. Scenario A. Remove. If the item is already there, num rows greater than 0. The script assumes the user wants to remove it. It executes a delete command and sends back a JSON response with action removed. Scenario B. Add. If the item is not found, the script executes an insert command to add it to the user's cart and sends back action added. Notice the database search and database IUD methods. Use "I" and question mark placeholders. This is the gold standard for secure database communication. We don't just say success. We send back the exact action taken so that your JavaScript can update the UI, for example, changing a button text from add to cart to. And that's how you build a smart, efficient toggle system for your shopping cart. By using a single PHP script to handle both adding and removing items, we have made our code cleaner and our website much faster. So, thank you so much for joining with me today and learning how to handle these background processes is what separates a basic developer from a professional one. I really appreciate your time and your commitment to becoming a better coder. So, have a nice day all, and I'll see you again with another video. Goodbye.